Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram keeps stopping. To know how to fix Instagram keeps stopping, you should just go to settings. As you see, we click. After that, in this page you will go to apps. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram, and when you will see this list you will go to force stop. When you will enter and this, you will go to storage. After all that, you will click clear cache, and then you will click clear data, and you can turn off your Wi-Fi here, so that you can know how to fix Instagram keeps stopping. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.